Hey Shopify folks, this is Shopify Edition week and I wanted to share a quick tip if you're attending Shopify Edition this week. Shopify Edition is just one day. If you miss the opportunity, you will regret it for the rest of the year. Until next year, you will use the opportunity again. I'm saying it based on my personal experience from last year, so make sure you use some of these tips to make the most out of Shopify Edition. In Shopify Edition, most people are developers. And most developers are introverts. Yes, we talk a lot on Twitter that we are looking forward to meet you. But when you go in Shopify Edition, you are not the first person who approach and start a conversation. So make sure you do this. Just come out of your comfort zone. If you see someone is having lunch, if you see someone is having coffee, if you see someone is having breakfast, go to them, approach them and ask them how they are and what they are doing. Last year, I saw a lot of people on Twitter excited about meeting each other, but I couldn't meet all of them. One of the reasons was because I saw a lot of people around there, but I was not the first person to approach to them and talk to them. I'm sure you might feel the same thing, but this year you should not do the same mistake. So you have to approach people, ask them what they are doing. It's very important. The second important thing is when you talk to someone, try to tell them what you are doing. This is one of the mistakes I made last year, and I realized it after the edition. When I met Toby, this is what happened. I approached him and said, "Hey Toby, I'm Hujjat, how are you?" And then the second thing that I did was, "Can I take a selfie?" Now what I could do instead is, "Hey Toby, I'm Hujjat. I came from Sydney, Australia. In the past 5 years, I made over 300 videos about Shopify, how to build Shopify app, how to build Shopify theme, and I'm very active on teaching people how to use Shopify." I didn't say any of those. All I did was, "Can I take a photo?" And that is the worst thing I could do. If you're active in the Shopify community, you can reach out to anyone in the Shopify team, introduce yourself, try to talk to them, talk to Lem or anyone who is very active with other developers, and they are happy to know about your story. The same thing goes with other merchants. If you see another developer, talk to them what they are doing, what they are working on, and they are happy to listen to your story, and also you learn more about what they are doing. So Shopify Edition is more about networking and finding more people, getting more friends. Last year after the edition, I was talking with a lot of people, but I was thinking, you know what, I could do better. And that is what I want you to do. So I want you to approach people first, try to talk to them no matter what. If you see a group of people, go approach to them, talk to all of them. That is the best thing you can do, and you will never regret doing that. I hope these tips help you get the most out of Shopify Edition and you enjoy your time in Canada, and thanks for watching.